and I'm gonna know which direction this Grubhub shopping order is going, so that I can make sure I'm not multi-apping in opposite directions, if that makes sense. Jeff Bezos looking ass. Hey, I'm so much of a bum. I'm gonna take a famous person and make him my profile picture so everybody else think I'm not a bum lame ass. Good job. Good job. What's up, Quail? I see you. Motherfucker say, I'm Jeff Bezos and I want everybody to know. Silly ass. Don't even think. You don't even think before you do stuff, do you? Are you going to join the Sunday live show on Pedro channel with Real Talk with Roy and Marcus? No, I will not share screen space with people who do not have the same content creation value as me. So therefore, I will not be up there with Roy and Marcus. I don't have no problem with them, but I am not devaluing my brand by being up with them. They don't create content. What I got to be up there with them for? That don't make no sense. Make it make sense. Now, if it's some people up there who making content and on my level, yeah, I'll be up there with them. But no, I won't be up there for no Roy and no Marcus. No, sir. We pulling up the CVS. What is they even up there for? I don't even know what's going on. What are they even up there for? Just to be up there? We at CVS. I'm up here. This is where I'm at. I fuck around and be up here on Sunday. I'm bagging up, ladies. Sorry. Gotta parallel park that thing. All right, we made it to CVS. We have arrived. I gotta make sure I got my my Grubhub pay card. Where is my pay card? I ain't did a shopping pay on Grubhub in a nice little minute. Yeah, it's been a minute. Ooh, okay, hold on now. Wow. Yes, sir, we got that. We got that. All right. This is paused. Perfect. Let's throw it on the charger. Bro, they got a 12 case of Coca-Cola, one thing of Pringles, and one thing of chip. Bro, it's the easiest 20 bucks I ever made. Look what they got. Look at this. I'm about to show you. Hold on. This is so easy. Doritos, Pringles, Coca-Cola. That's it. That shit gonna be down there. Damn, these carts super low to the ground. Doritos, Pringles. Oh, that must be the big bag. Bro, this is crazy. This costs $3 at Walmart. This shit costs $50 at CVS. That's crazy. CVS is for rich people. Look at this. This is crazy. Look at this. Oh my God. This is for rich people. This bag costs $3 at Walmart, and they charging $6.50 in here. That's crazy. Ain't my money. Ain't got nothing to do with me. Man, You don't scam.